On the mainline stock rail, to measure the squareness of the stock rails using a tape measure, locate the centre of the bolt on the first slide chair and mark its position on the running edge. Rub some chalk or crayon on the rail and mark a line with a pencil. From the first mark, on all vertical, full depth inclined and bullhead S&C, take a measurement 90 mm forward and mark the rail on the running edge in the same way as the first one. This is the datum point for the measurements. On the turnout stock rail, place 2 marks in the same way as the datum rail. If there is heavy side wear or excessive dirt and grease, then the marks on both rails can be made on the field face of the stock rails. Move back to the mainline stock rail and measure 1 metre forward from the datum point and mark the rail, and then measure 1 metre back from the datum point and mark the rail also. Hold a fiberglass tape measure on its edge at the mark on the turnout stock rail and run it to one of the 1 metre marks and record the measurement. This can be written on the web or head of the rail. Take and note down a second measurement in the same way, using the other 1 metre mark. If the measurements are out of square by a difference of plus or minus 6 mm or 12 mm overall, then stock rail squaring must be completed before gauge measuring can take place, due to inaccuracies that could be found in the measurements. If using a laser measuring tool, place the laser on the mainline stock rail 90 mm forward from the centre of the first bolt hole. Switch the laser on and project the beam across to the turnout stock rail. Place the target board on the turnout stock rail, allowing for the 90 mm offset. The laser should hit the edge of the target board. Measure and record the amount the rails are out of square. RT NR60 switches have 5 bolt holes in the stock rail at the number 1 bearer. The switch toe measurement is 255 mm forward of the centre bolt hole.